DT McCall and Sons is a 117-year-old business. We've been serving Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky for that long, and we have a wide variety of different pieces, from brands like La-Z-Boy, Thomasman, Bernhardt, Drexel, Natuzzi, Futura, from the outdoor products from Cub Cadet and Dixie Chopper, and appliances, Maytag, GE, Frigidaire, Electrolux. We carry the whole gamut, so DT McCall and Sons is significantly different than everyone else. And something that we've always done, we deliver free. We carry a lot of the eclectic looks, ranging from things that are traditional all the way into things that are very modern and contemporary. So if you're looking for value in furniture, DT McCall and Sons is heads and shoulders above all the other names in the industry. So we invite you to come on in and let us show you around. And we have 5 locations in Middle Tennessee, whether it be in Carthage, Cookeville, Lafayette, Lebanon, or Franklin. We can make it happen, and we'll deliver it to you free.